Matterport Axis Gimbal is too easy? Create 3D virtual tours with just your phone.
Let's talk pain, like trying to DIY your property scans with a shaky hand and a janky tripod while your phone camera screams for mercy.
You want pro-level results, but the gear? It's either crazy expensive, confusing as heck, or flat-out unreliable. Whether you're a real estate agent, Airbnb host, contractor, or just trying to make your rental pop, it feels like you need a film crew just to get decent footage. And don't even get us started on hiring pros for every tiny job. It's draining your time, your wallet, and your will to create. Sound familiar? Keep reading. Now imagine the stress multiplier. Tight deadlines, last-minute listings, or a client expecting a polished 3D walkthrough yesterday. Meanwhile, your freehand skills are making everything look like a wobbly potato vision. Missed angles, bad lighting, and retakes are burning hours you don't have. The frustration hits hard. You're stuck juggling too many tools, tech you barely understand, and mounting pressure to produce high-quality scans fast. Every bad capture is another missed sale, lost lead, or blown opportunity. It's not just annoying, it's sabotaging your momentum. And let's be real, burnout is knocking louder than your neighbor's leaf blower. Enter the Matterport Axis Gimbal Stabilizer, your new handheld game-changer. This slick little powerhouse pairs with your smartphone and the Matterport app to deliver pro-grade 3D scans with ridiculous ease. We're talking fully motorized rotation, tripod-stable precision, and no more operator error. One tap, and boom! You're capturing detailed, immersive virtual spaces in 360 or full 3D. Whether it's for real estate, design, insurance, or marketing, Axis does it fast, smooth, and hands-free. You don't need experience, a tech degree, or $5,000 gear. Just your phone, Axis, and a finger to press the button. No drama, just results. Axis isn't just easy, it's actually fun. With its foldable tripod, featherlight portability, and remote-controlled motion, you'll be scanning entire spaces in minutes without breaking a sweat. It's built for you, whether you're hustling listings, flipping properties, or documenting interiors for claims. And the visuals? Chef's kiss. Crisp, professional 3D models, schematic floor plans, and 4K-ready photography, all captured on your phone. Plus, the included 12-month starter subscription gets you full access to the Matterport platform to create, edit, and share your digital twins. Hit that link, peep the demo, and see how simple pro capture can really be. Thousands have already joined the Axis revolution: real estate pros, marketers, architects, and solo creators who finally ditched the stress and embraced smarter scanning. This bundle moves fast, and once it's gone, it's back to shaky footage and scheduling photographers who ghost you. Still hesitant? You're backed by a proven brand, a year-long subscription, and rave reviews from users just like you. No fluff, no overthinking, just next-level capture made stupidly simple. Don't let your competitors outscan you. Don't miss another opportunity to wow clients or boost engagement. Smash that button, grab your Axis, and turn your phone into a 3D scanning beast. Let's go.